Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of Finecare Progesterone Rapid Quantitative Test to be used in the Finecare FIA system. This is from Wondfo Finecare. You can see this is a CE IVD certified product. You can see it's typically has a 2 years of expiry period, and you have a normal room temperature storage between 4 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. This is how the box looks like. You can see the key contents. You have a test cartridges in a sealed individual pouch, 25 numbers, and you have a reduction buffers, 25 numbers, a pipette tip, 25 numbers, and you have an ID chip, 1 number, and an instruction is manual. Okay, I'm just going to show you around the box. You can see this from Wondfo. Okay, I'm going to unbox this for you. There you go. You can see inside there is an instruction manual. It says Finecare Progesterone Rapid Quantitative Test, which talks about the intended use, the precautions and the test procedures. It has the test procedures and how the interpretation of test results. So you have complete instructions in this brochure for completing this test. And inside you can see there is a 25 pipette tips. Here it is. And I can see there is a 25 pack of reduction buffer. You can see that also it's have a 2 years of period, and it's a 4 to 30 degrees Celsius. And inside you can see ID chip. I can show that. You can see the ID chip that says progesterone and for this lot number. So you can actually basically check this lot number. This lot number that goes. So inside you can see 25 test cassettes. Let me pull two for you. You can see this here. You see it says Finecare Progesterone Rapid Quantitative Test. It's a 2 years of expiry period. You can see this. So this is basically today it's a 25 test kit pack and CE IVD certified product from Wondfo Finecare FIA Immunoassay System. This test kit is Finecare Progesterone Rapid Quantitative Test. And quickly to summarize here, inside the box you have 25 test cassettes and you want an instruction for use manual and 25 pipette tips. You can see the 25 pipette tips, and then you have 25 numbers of individual extraction buffer, and you have an ID chip, and you have the test cassettes. Here it is. That's the quick summary of Wondfo Finecare Progesterone Rapid Quantitative Test to be used in the FIA system. Thank you.